Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome to Amruta's kitchen. Our today's recipe chicken tawa masala. For my vegetarian friends, paneer tawa masala recipe link given in description box. Please go and click there. First step of delicious chicken is marination. Let's see how to marinate it. Here what I get is 400-gram chicken. It's boneless. The pieces are really big. Let's cut them into small. I used kitchen scissor for cutting the chicken pieces. You can do it with knife. Wash it clean. Add 1 spoon curd. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder. And grated ginger garlic, or you can use ginger garlic paste. I don't like strong smell of that ready-made paste. That's why I used grated one. Here I used 1 tsp tandoori masala. If you don't have it, you can use red chili powder. Mix it well and keep it for 30 minutes. Heat oil for tempering. Add jeera, cinnamon, 1 cardamom and 1 clove. Add chopped onion. Chopped tomatoes. Here I used 1 onion and half tomato. Add 2 spoons of kasuri methi. It will give your dish a really nice taste. Add small piece of butter. I prefer homemade. Once everything is roasted nicely, add marinated chicken. Mix it well. Add half tsp garam masala. And handful of fresh chopped coriander. Now let's add some fried onions. Here I use ready-made fried onions. Every time when you add something, make sure you are mixing it well. Give some time to roast it properly. If you want to make it spicier, add pinch of pepper powder. It's optional. And half cup warm water. Don't add more than that. Now cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Once it is cooked, add half tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon instead of ready-made lemon juice. Let it cook for 1 more minute. Now see, this is perfectly cooked chicken tawa masala. Try to break with fingers to check if it is cooked or not. Wow, delicious. If you like this recipe, try it, send me your feedback, and share your recipe photos with me. If you want to see more recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Just click on this subscribe button. You will get notification for my next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.